This short video clip was sent to me by a customer who used the Silox Adobe and rammed earth water repellent on their stabilized mud adobe home. They used an airless sprayer to apply the Silox. You can use a manual backpack sprayer on your home in place of an airless sprayer and achieve the same results, but an airless sprayer is much easier on the body than pumping a hand-operated sprayer. Notice how heavy the sprayman is applying the Silox to these bone-dry walls. He applied the Silox at an approximate rate of 50 to 60 square feet per gallon, or 250 to 300 square feet per 5-gallon bucket, which is the correct amount when treating a stabilized mud adobe or rammed earth home this thirsty. This is an example of the necessary flood coat, which is applying the Silox at such a liberal rate that it literally runs down the walls. In general, you will know that you are putting enough of the Silox on your adobe or rammed earth walls when you are able to achieve this same drenching flood coat. It may take you several coats to achieve this. Make sure if you need to put on more than one coat that you do not allow the first coat to dry before applying any subsequent coats. Always put a wet on damp coat, allowing the first coat to briefly soak in before putting on a second coat.